your life. Let's see. Right. So I have about an hour. So today we're going to go add format on save capabilities to fun. See where that gets us, how long that takes, and if we have time, we'll see about contributing a scroll view, vertical scroll view back to Vaxis, which I'm using to render the TUI. So let's get started. I'm pretty sure I have a save function somewhere in here. I think I put it in the editor rather than the Let's see. Looks like I probably did put it in the app. Yeah, that's probably the wrong place to put it. Let's see. Yeah, it's probably still here. Yeah. There should probably be a function in the editor. I really need to implement paste. Let's see. I'll pasting. That sounds like a good idea. But for now, we'll just do this like this. We'll go move this to the editor. Close the load file seems fine. Back on save file. So if we don't have a file, we're not for working scratch cover. But eventually we'll probably want to have a pop-up that asks, do you want to save your file? So I just do if sub.file equals 0 and just return. And otherwise, we go file equals get the current working directory and create a file as. I think there's something in here about, yeah. We do want to truncate it because we're writing completely new stuff into it. Yeah, so we can go dot truncated equals true, and just catch return. So we don't really particularly care. Well, eventually we are going to want to inform the user that we couldn't open the file. Add some notification file opened to some. All right. And oh, I need an allocator for this. Do I really? Do I have an allocator? I do have an allocator. Okay, so I can just keep this as is for now. Yeah. That probably means I don't need to pass in the allocator here, doesn't it? Just go get alt text. Probably how we do that. There is get alt text. Actually, no, because whoever's calling this function should be freeing the memory. Yeah. And then we just write everything to the file. Just keep it as is for now. It's a matter instead to the file. Bytes straight to the file. Yeah. Okay, so then save this, close that, and we can then, instead of doing this, we just go try self the editor dot save file. So we can start there. And then in the save file function in the editor is where we want to run zip format on save. I think that's how I want to go ahead and do it. Actually, let's go. This. Ah, right. The sub.file. And write things correctly. There we go. Actually, I'm not gonna edit this. I'm gonna do something in the test file. Hey, that's it. It did. Nice. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Just do a little. And we're gonna save file. And we're going to split. We add these changes. Yeah, there you go. Then we need to run Zig format. It's just where's the input files and modifiers? Can type everything in over standard in. Just nice. I need to see what happens if I sync format. It does exit with an error code, and I don't think it modifies the buffer now. Okay, nice. Makes this pretty easy. So before we actually save this, we have to here send text to state format, and if SIG format is successful, save the output. Otherwise, save text to save. That's how I do this. So now I just need to figure out how do we run the child process. Now we're gonna have to do that. 0.1310. And there's a process. I think I'm pretty sure there's a better API than just to directly execute. Oh, excuse me. Let's see. This is not it. Oh, child. That's probably what it is. Yeah, so we init a child process. We do have standard out and standard in. Yeah. So we can just init run. We do want to wait for it. We don't need this to be asynchronous, at least not right now. Okay. All right, we can do this. Should be fine. Yeah. So we want to do something like SIG process is standard process child inits, and that takes the argly and the allocator. So that's going to be same as this. GPA is fine. And then how do we do this up? Oh, we probably want spawn actually, or run, I mean. That makes more sense. Yeah. Let's see, it's the color. And for now, we're just gonna assume that this binary exists. I suppose it would fail anyway, and we just save the file without formatting it anyway. So that should be fine. Yeah, we want to run, not init. So run, and that takes an allocator. We have the argv. Do we need to? I don't think we need to put any of this in here. I think so. Max output bytes. Bytes. I suppose we might want to make this the length of the buffer. — 50 megabytes. I probably should be doing that. We're just gonna try. Actually, no, we're gonna want to catch it. Save like this if we fail. Okay, yeah, that's fine. And yeah, so we're gonna just do null, 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 and then just to say length, and we can just do maybe twice the length to make sure any added characters, which is like absolute worst case. If it's all formatted, if it's one line and you add the new line to after every character, which probably I don't think would ever happen, but that should give us enough of a buffer to completely manage this. It does. Theoretically, this could cause an issue if we're trying to write a number of bytes that's greater than usize, or if we try that. So I guess we could just. Pretty sure there's an operator in Zik that just handles that, right? Operators. Saturating multiplication. It's wrapping, saturating. Yeah. We can just do that. That means there might be overflow, but I don't think I'm going to be working on these files that big. So I'm fine with accepting that just as a limitation. So we can just make a little note. Maybe we should make it a fixed mean. What happens if someone tries to save a file that's half the length of these bytes? take that into consideration. And here we just do Zec format standard in. This should give us a result which has standard out and standard air. Okay. Does it have a return? Exited signal start. Is exited the result? This doesn't give me a oh, I suppose if there's an error, it would return a run error. Okay. In that case, so we can just go catch. We don't really care about the error so much, so we can just go. This happens. We try file.write all text to save and return. So we handle that. Otherwise, we need to replace the text in the buffer. Actually, I suppose to make this a little easier, we can just save the file and reload the file, and that should give us everything we need. So we can go. So at that point, we just save whatever's in the output in the standard out. So we also have to go defer self GPA 3 standard out. Then self GPA 3 and then we can go try file.write format proc.standard out. Right? That's what we get out of the, yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. And then we just go self.load file. That probably means a tracking comment. I wonder if this works. How did I implement load file? Yeah. Oh, it needs a file path, but I can just pass in self. Yeah, I can just go. That's fine. Or no, let me just load the file to parent updated file contents. Sorry, go to format G. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little fix in here. Method, load buffer, in place, and 5x. Seems standard call because that isn't really necessary, but it's just an easier way to do things for now. And in theory, assuming this builds, this should just work. So first of all, selected the one argument found 6. Excuse me, no. Oh, it's a struct. Of course it is. And it's going to allocate close. And we don't need all these nodes. Let's go. Max output bytes. Close this. And that's how we do it. So it's gonna just go like that. There we go. And if I try to save, oh no. Oh, is this because what's going on here? Oh boy. Okay. Just equivalent. Oh. Hmm. Anyway, Lord, you got where to Jesus. Let's to save. You just need to know what the output of the zip format. This was zip format successfully. Not proc, not standard out. Should slice. Am I not resetting stuff in local? I am. I clear and free the lines. Okay. Well, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Toast. Oh, toast. Oh. Toast to toast. Basic format. And toast. I'm not writing anything to the standard then. That would be why. Right, that would be why. Because this is a run set. I need to, yeah, spawn and wait. Okay, so I do need the init. Okay, well, I suppose that makes sense. And that's just gonna take an allocator and the RV. It's gonna be like this, and GPA. This does not return any error. does give us a child process though. That is when we need to do something with the standard in, right? Writing and the standard child requires standard in behavior available after calling spawn. Okay. So I need to set, I think, the behavior on the child process, right? So standard in behavior. To go dot in behavior equals that pipe, I think. Yeah, pipe. And then we have to go out behavior pipe. What's the we're not really using the error output, so I suppose we can just go standard error behavior equals. We don't really care about that. So that's going to be a file, so we need to read from that. Okay, so we go up. Here we have to go format project spawn. Is this the try thing? It does, yeah, it is. So in that case, we catch and we try file.write text to. Let's call this text to format. I think feels a little better. The format. Feels a little better. So now we have the thing running. Eventually we will have to wait. So we have to go const result equals wait. If it failed, we do the same thing. So I try to read all text to format and recover. But before this, we need to actually write something to the standard input. So we can go if. I think I'm just going to go if the standard in is null. Yeah, I'm going to return standard in. So if this failed to open, probably needlessly careful, but whatever. Format. Be careful. The same thing for the standard out. Proc standard out. That's null. Try all text. I suppose this actually we would want to happen. Again, wish I had paste. Wow. Okay. If because we don't really care about the standard output until we know we've had a successful run. Try all next to that. Turn again. See, is this a big control? Something like this. This is not going to work anymore, but we'll get there. So here we can guarantee that. Just go and equal. That was file. And again, we're leaking memory somewhere. We'll figure that all out. Let's see. So that gives us a file. And that's just gonna be it's gonna be like this. And this should be a file. Similar here, we can go and that way we don't have to deal with writing the dot question mark every time. Once we have the standard input, we can probably just use the same API, right? Just write all. Try standard and write all. Two. And then we'll have a result here. So here we have to do a. Actually, I just need to know what happens here. I think because this returns. Is it term? No. Does the child process itself have a result? Terminated state available protocol. Technical stop. I think exited is probably what we want. I should look at the plan. It's 2013. Just see what the tests do with this. The standard library, which should be somewhere. Lib maybe? Yeah, lib standard process child. Some tests. Okay. We command line. So much about that. Let's see. Maybe there are more tests above here. Probably just find the first test. It's the first one. Extension. none of this is asserting on the exit code. So I wonder if maybe those tests are in the process. Arc parsing, go back, sponge. Let's do the same thing. Let's need the end. Let's go press space. Look that. Do this. No. Okay. Well, I think it's exited. We'll see. Yeah, that happens after the wait. Standard log debug result. But what's the exited? Come on. Slow. This is a union, though. Are the unions the ones that have? I think those are where it's right. It's gonna be one of these. It's not gonna have all of them. Right. Yeah, it's gonna be one of these. That makes a little more sense. So then we probably want to exit it. Don't care about signal stopped or unknown because we wanted only when the formatting successfully works. Yeah, so we want to go switch results. And else, and that's where we have to do the same thing, like right file, right text formats. So that will have indicated an error, but if it is exited, that's going to give us a exit code. Sure. That's where if exit code is not 0, then we write everything to turn. Otherwise, we can get the standard output, and that's when we need to read everything from. Yeah, that's where this should happen. Spit out. Maybe I can just let's go. It's gonna be in that case we can just go on insert code equals 0. And otherwise we just false. And we can go if successful, actually if not successful, and return early. At all, it's 2 formats. I'm in here, standard log, select one point, next to all. Otherwise, select format successful. Pull one on there. Ah, right, I don't have this yet. So this way to, yeah, right. If we don't have a standard output, I suppose we don't have to do this. Yeah, sure. And that's what I need to actually read from the file. Right. Is there like a read all alloc or something? I need to get a reader. Oh, read to end alloc. Read all. There's a read all. But it reads it into the buffer. End alloc. Read all the bytes from the current position to the end of the file. On success, caller runs the return buffer. It's larger than max bytes. Actually, I don't need to read anything. No, I do need to read things from the standard output so I can save the right stuff to the file. Right. As we're doing this through pipes. Okay, so we can just do this, I think. Max bytes. Yeah. Okay, so then we can just go. I'm just gonna try this. Probably want to be more careful with this. So formatted text. That's gonna be stood out. Do not read to an alloc. Here. Max bytes. We're just gonna again make that the text twice the text to format length. And yeah, that should give us all the output, so we can write the formatted text. Format successfully. Log debug. Formatted text. But generally, I think if reading from a successful process is failing, probably might not have issues we can actually handle here. Either way, this should be what we need to do. Add more comments to this in a bit. Alright, test. Yeah, third format standard test. That should result in an error. So open test. Affected. Semicolon after statement. Right. No, not here. It's after the switch statement. Probably. Where did I do that? Yeah, here. And again, where am I missing that? Now I wish I had line numbers. Or by a closing brace, I mean. What is this? Okay, there's 174. No, 174. Wait. Oh, right. This is an assignment, of course. Oh, right. Text formats. Cannot assign to constant. What does that even mean? And how do I change this behavior? Oh, I probably need to make the process variable. Is that how it works? Oh, right. I make this a block. Or not a block, but I can just go use this. Yeah. Okay. Let's try. What? Oh, it's stuck. Oh no. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Oh, put one. This one here. I need a flush or something before I write to the file. Okay. Right, I probably need to close the standard input after I write to it, right? So I can go. It says defer. We can close. It's the API for the files, right? Close. Yeah. Is there a D in it on this? No. Okay. Alright. That should then make sure the buffer gets delivered to the standard output. Once we're done here, there we go, standard inputs. That doesn't need a try or anything. And that's when we call waits. Probably need to do something similar here. First, did I get close? It's probably what we need. Oh, right, and I need to defer. Start picking 3 from text. I own that very well. We probably want to do it like this. Okay. Close the output and see where this takes us. I do not know what's going on. Let me see if I can get more out of this by making the text smaller. Reached unreachable code. When I call close. Oh, is this because I already closed the file? So maybe I just need to flush buffer. What's happening? Close it. Oh, okay. So select the source. Child. Wait. Wait. Oh, wait. No. Go. Wait. Pause it. Yeah. 100 something. Wait and route. Is that close cleanup streams? That does indeed close them. So it's not that I have to. Maybe I'm not supposed to close. I'm just supposed to flush. If I'm not supposed to close it, how am I supposed to? Maybe I close sync. Maybe? Because clearly I'm not supposed to close it. suppose I could also just call open again, but that feels really dirty. That doesn't feel right. So I suppose we'll try to. This is clearly not correct. And can I not get the standard output after? Maybe that's the issue I was seeing earlier. The reason it would hang is because standard output has been closed at this point. Because wait will close all of the buffers. And then cleans up alerts. Right. Yeah. So maybe I want spawn and wait. Is that? No, that just gives me result. Okay, so that's probably the issue then. This is supposed to happen after I get the standard output. That's probably why. Let's try that. Already, so I could just. I suppose I need to kill the instances because I've already called spawn, so I probably need to try kill here. Kill. And I try to get the output. And now that we're done with the output, that's when we call spawn wait. And first result equals plot.wait. I think we can just try this. Actually, we can probably just do this directly. Let's go success. We switch on this. Exited. Code. Just make that exit equals 0. That's probably how I can do that. We can go not success. Next two formats. Return. Otherwise, we've been successful, in which case we can maybe this is what I want instead. Instead of trying to read the output myself, it's probably what I want. Might be a little easier. And then I don't need to do this either. In that case, I can just go standard array list weights, and it's that second. This comes to be variables first. First, I try select output. Spit out and spit out. Max output times 2 times text length. And that should leave the output in the standard output array list. We don't really care so much for the standard error array lists. Not too interested in that so long as the because I don't do anything with the output unless the formatting is successful. So then here what we can do is we can go idles.out.items and then reload the file. Maybe? Well, it's not going to test. Right. So when I kill the process, I don't particularly care about the results, so I can just close. Wait, I did this twice, didn't I? Oh no, I just erased the one time, or the one other time I did it. Okay. And so a second. Right, I need to like this. Okay, next. Can I save and well, this is different at least. Let's see. Let's terminal. Reached unreachable code. Right. So now I need to set the. That's fine. Oh, that is not what I want. Set. And we want to go here. We can probably just, maybe we can't use this if standard error is, yeah, it asserts this. Okay, well that's fine. Default behavior. don't know what that pairing process. I don't think the pairing process is piping, so we probably need to be explicit with this. Anyway, let's say nothing was logged, which I find right. We have the same thing. What am I doing wrong? What am I doing? Let's see. Right, process. Okay. What am I doing wrong? Alright, hang on. Oh, opens. Yeah, what is going on? Why is this? I wonder if I need to do something to set try to change process and then yeah, this looks, yeah, this is exactly what I'm trying to do here. Maybe it's because I'm not getting it right, or that might be what's going on. Do I need to close it like this manually myself? Maybe that is what I have to do. This was fixed though. Fixed, okay. So I probably just have to close and set it to null. right? That seems to be what's expected here after I write to standard in. So I'm supposed to go standard in close and format for the standard in. That's probably what's expected here. Does that fix the hang at least? Standard error string too long. Oh boy. At least it's different. And collect output. I would not have expected that. Start format standard in. Gives me nothing. How is that too long? How is that too long? Earth. How on this again is just an array list. And this comes from where? Collect output. There's string too long. That doesn't seem right. Let's that does not seem right. That cannot be right. What? Okay, I will make conservative here just for testing. I'll just add like 2,000 bytes. Not bad. Oops. Let's save. That work? Yes. That did work. That is. Why did that work? Does this not work the way I expected to? No, it should. Yeah. But generating notification that is gone. Then why does this not work? Wait, now it works? Maybe it happens when it's empty? No, it's fine. Okay. That was weird. What if we make this a... Actually, what if I put sick... Now I'm curious. What if I put sick code in here? Function name. Let's put 2 like that. And 0. Okay. That did something. Leak. Oh, hey, it did work. Oh, I just have to. I just have to redraw. That's what it is. So if I go save click and get the redraw in. Boom. Okay. Nice. Nice. All right. How do we make sure it redraws? That's the real question. This doesn't happen in the event context, does it? Does it? Right. Source. What sort of event are we getting out of the save? We do have that. Okay. Let's see. Save file. File. Right. And then what we're going to do is, well, it's supposed to redraw immediately. Why doesn't it? Let's see, redraw. I guess that's just the. Oh, I guess that's just the button, because when I press the key binding, that's going to do something else, right? It's the event handler. Here, key press, super save. Yeah, so save file, and then we have to 3tx, down, zoom, and we read the raw. That's what's missing, right? Oh. That took a suspicious amount of time. Very, very suspicious amount of time. Let's go test. Right. Did change that. Okay, well, there is a memory leak somewhere. When I reload the file, okay, maybe it's from this. Probably from this. Well, but I am deinitializing. Yeah, it has to be either this one or this one. Why? I do clear the line. I am freed. Oh, that's my lens, right? And I make a new one. I deinitialize it. It goes out of scope. I clear it. I need to do the same thing here. Maybe it's this thing. You know, right, it's probably because this isn't sufficient. I need to go through all the lines and clear and free each individual line. Before sacrifice items in your line, and let's go line.text. Actually, I can just dn it, right? Dn it. That's probably what's going on. Yeah, that did not leak the memory at least. That is a whole different level of something that needs to get done, or needs to get fixed. What just happened there? Okay, at least we're no longer leaking that memory. What just happened here? Suppose I need to update the cursor? Is that what's going on here? Because the cursor would have moved. Let's do this. Yeah. Now I need to make sure the cursor is a-okay. We're doing this. Okay. Alright. Okay. And this happens in the draw function, right? So I manage it. Oops. So after reloading the file, let's make sure cursor. So then we can basically just do, because this would have reloaded all the lines. So then we can go if and actually maybe just go sub cursor line equals whichever is smaller sub cursor line or yeah, and then from there we're gonna get constant line. That's in the cell lines items select the cursor line and select the cursor column. That's also going to be the minimum, whichever is smaller, the current column or the current line. I'm realizing I can go need a helper for that. Oh no, it's self button. Which feels a little awkward, but it's fine. That should fix this issue. Alright, give me a moment. Alright, let's see if this worked, and then call it a day. So now if I remove still doesn't work. have been fixed. It's the same issues, just slightly different. This one. The red line. Column. All right. Well, I guess I will have to put them on the list. Figure out. Person is and receive format. Fine. Or I guess removes new lines. Suppose that's what we're gonna be doing next. Alright. Well, thank you for tuning in. This was fun. I will see you all next time. Bye bye.